Welcome to the D Show. But guys, do you need a good home defense pistol? Are you on paper and can't buy something legal? Hey, D Show got you covered. Check it out. This is the Lancer Tactical Scorpion 8-shot CO2 50 caliber pistol. And that's the size of balls, the same balls that the police shoot, they call riot balls. They rubber on the outside, metal on the inside. Also, you can shoot 50 caliber pepper balls and paint balls with this pistol. The CO2 cartridge goes up just like that, up inside of the handle. The round part goes up with the nozzle part down, and there's go you screw your cap to tighten it up, and you tighten it so far until it lock in place. And what you do to release the gas from it, you hit the bottom of the cap to puncture the CO2. But yeah, you could get this bad boy on Amazon.com for less than $100. You can have a home defense gun. And I want you to go check out John the Technical Guy video on this right here, the Lancer Tachical Scorpion. He's shooting that 3D printed up skull, and man, these balls go like 2 inches off in the skull. And you can pick these balls up on Amazon.com, 50 caliber rubber metal balls for less than $15 for 100 count. You could get the CO2 15 count for less than $13, and you could get you some pellet gun oil for less than $10. So saying now $150, and you can have you a full home defense pistol. The clip hold 8 balls, so you got 8 shots. And this is how it looks, guys. This is the Lancer Tactical Scorpion 50 caliber pistol, home defense. And you're gonna be shooting balls like that out of it. 50 caliber rubber metal balls, the same type balls the police use. They call it riot balls. That's them, and they will do some serious damage to a person. So D-Show got you covered. If you're on paper, you can get you something like this, guys, and protect yourself. Like I said, the clip hold 8 balls. CO2 cartridge goes in upside down with the nozzle downward. Put the cap on, tighten it till it can't turn no more. And when you get ready to release the CO2, you hit up on the bottom of the cap to push the bottle. Yes, sir. D-Show got you covered. Hey, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the D-Show, baby. The real deal. And like always, keep your head up. Stay safe. Peace. And check it out, guys. God bless.